Hey, it's Shelly here. So today I'm going to be talking about dotting tools. So I've been painting mandalas for about 4 to 5 years now, and I want to share some of my tools that I use to paint my mandalas with you today. So these are some of the dotting tools that I use. These are actually stylus. So when I first got these were nail stylus. Now you can actually search on Amazon for dotting tools and they'll show up. So you can also check out my affiliate link to Amazon to find tools that are like this because you can't find these guys anymore, but you can find something similar on them with them on Amazon. And then I have these. These are actually DIY Mandala Stone dotting tools. They're double-sided and they've got all sorts of different sizes that I use. And then I have some other dotting tools that I do. These tools are from the Dotting Center. I love that they are flat like this, and then they've got these giant ones that are super helpful whenever I'm starting in the middle of a stone. These are great tools. This is a silicone brush, and what I use this for is for super, super tiny dots that require a lot of detail. And then this here I use for my swipes. This is actually a punching tool that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I'll have a link for it in the description for you so you can actually see how I use this. It comes with two in the set. This one is very, 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 very sharp. I rarely use this one, but I do love this. And then on the other side, this is actually for when you fold the paper and like scoring it and stuff like that. So, but I mostly use it for this side right here. If you have any questions about any of the other tools that I use or want more ideas from me or what you want to see in future videos, please leave me a comment and then make sure to follow and subscribe and get an update. My goal is to start doing more videos here so you guys and serving you in a better way. So you just let me know and I will try and make a video for it. See you next time.